So on today's video, guys, is a super special video. I'm coming live and clear from the countryside over here in Kenya, Africa, East Africa, near the border of Kenya and Tanzania. And this is our home. This is it. This is how everything is over here in the countryside, Africa. Amazingly beautiful homeland. So this day today, guys, I want to show you the process of how we're grooming our homestead over here by planting grass and just having some other activities around here in our countryside. So please subscribe, like, share, and remember, we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers. I really appreciate your love and support. Of course, I'm not alone. I'm with you.
I'm eating mandazi.
You're eating mandazi? And guys, the process of making mandazi is as you see over here. To get our grass from here, because this grass is very special, and we are heading to a place kind of far away from here, so we are going to get grass, and yeah, we come to plant over here. Yes. What do you think?
Let's go.
See you there, guys. So we are here. I'm also here with me and Howie. And yeah, hi, introduce yourself.
Hi guys, me and Howie here. Welcome and welcome to our YouTube channel. Claude YouTube channel, of course. Nowadays, like my home, they're used to me. Yeah. So we came to get some grass, guys. We are going to plant in the homestead there. Yeah, we needed some. We want to plant grass, so that I remember I said I want to plant grass and I want to plant vegetables. So this basically is my project. The grass planting is my project, and like basically it's like, let me not brag, I'm running a project. Yeah, so soon, and then after we plant grass, we're going to look for some great plants also, and then some vegetables. Okay, but for today it's only the grass.
Yeah, so guys, we are heading on this other end, and this is the life in the countryside, as you see. Beautiful and great. What is Muzee doing here? It's life in the countryside, guys. Life in the countryside. Do you see Muzee? Hey, it's very hey, that's good. What are you doing at the roadside? You want to sing that song of Napumzika? That song that sings, Jah will never leave me by the wayside. Jah knows his people, so he sat at the roadside, yeah, so that Jah cannot leave him there. So mzee, mpaka wapi? Oh, humu tu. Guys, this is guys, this is my dad, and he's a mediator in the village over here. So like now, he's going to just mediate something here over here. So let's wait and see what's going on around. But we are heading home, and we want to see what's going on around on the other side, because things are really moving on greatly and nicely and beautifully made. So let's head home and visit. So we have arrived home, guys. We have arrived back home. It's live. It is good. and leave a sweet comment and let me know in the comment section how do you do it in your countries. Right. So I'm trying to make this, guys, so that I can try to put a rope and yeah. We want to use our line, so the way you see, want us to plant it horizontal. What do you think? Can we plant it horizontal or vertical? This way? Yeah. Guys, she's doing yes, she's eating mandazi. Typical African line. All right, so we started from here, right? Yeah. No, you can start it from here so that it will help us. So I'll tie a rope here. Up to this end here. I'm having grass here, guys. This is here, you see. It's a pure nice grass. So the way you see it over here. So I have to cut it into small pieces already. You see, like this. Now when it grows big, you know. So like this, it's already big. So I'll be planting it this way, and also another one this way. So I want to split it into small pieces like this, as I put aside, and also remove the one which is unwanted, so that we can plant it over here in our yard. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, how is the process?
Tedious.
Tedious.
Yep.
Okay. The process to mean how is tedious. Good. We'll go to the place where they sell these different species of trees, and we start to plant them nicely on this other end. So already this place is nice, as you see, but for now we won't plant it until tomorrow when we see on the next video. But for this I'll show you how everything will be. So mean how you pack that well, or you wanted to plant it here?
No, tomorrow. The other side is for my wiki.
Okay, plant it well.
Plant well.
The place looks nice and well groomed. So let me show you what's going to happen around here soon. Guys, we're having this is black tea, and also it's some mandazis. You saw mom preparing mandazis. And how is tired?
Very tired. I've not done work. I've not worked like physical work in a very long time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sasa toto. So we are having this here. Let's wait and see. Hey, that roast is having a best.
There's a beautiful baby passing by.
Yeah, the roast. Let me hear. Merores. Pita huku toto. Huku hivi. Hapo umepanda nyasi. So the only thing is to protect this place. I'll bring some thorns. Just press this way, so that you can protect this.
Get a mesh and just put it. Thorns, someone can easily remove and
No.
Fire. Firewood. This is firewood.
No, for the time being, I'll just put some thorns. Yeah, but guys, this is it. Home, beautiful home. Enjoy. Cheers.
Cheers. My cup is loose.
Is loose.
Loose.
Countryside.
Meow. Oh yeah.
My favorite cat, guys. Gray. yeah, we are doing some cleaning so that they can look good and clean. So that we reduce drinking water from others like this, so that we can create room for others to grow. All right. Remove all the crazy ones so that we can create space for others to grow. Like this one already, we create space for it. Removing dry grass like this also.
Dry leaves.
The dry leaves.
You said grass.
I'm saying grass, sorry guys. Now I'm coming from planting grass, so I think everything is grass. This is what we call like an orange tree. We had some orange last time here, we ate, and also we're having languat over here, so they look so nice and great. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
And here I thought you're brave.
I was touching something, and then a snail just sat on.
Ew, wipe yourself.
A snail sat on my skin. So I was like, ugh. But that's part of life. You hate snails?
People eat snails.
But you hate snails?
I hate them.
I ate snails when I went to China restaurant in Malaysia. They were nice and sweet.
Bananas normally have snails for some reason.
Yeah, I don't know.
What? Why is it like that?
Because they are wet all the time.
So snails like it wet?
Yeah, they like it wet. Over here.
Okay.
Bananas always. Not only snails, but also even snakes. At some point, they love them.
Okay.
Dry leaves for the bananas are very hard to cut compared to
the green ones.
the green ones. Like this one, we could have cut it, but because it has a banana over here,
Let it be.
we have to leave it that way so that they can cover the banana. But like this, we have to train it to allow to give an allowance of growing health. Okay. This is the beautiful life in the countryside. We We have banana guavas here, also a big banana. Have you ever seen this? It has a twin. It has a twin bananas. It has twin bananas. The way you see it over here. It's oh, and it has wasps. There's wasps here.
No.
Let me show you. Guys, there's some wasps here.
Ooh.
See the wasps? Those are the wasps. You know, if a wasp sting you, you become very big. Like this side swallows like this.
Swells.
Yeah, it's
Swallows.
It
Swells.
Oh,
Swells.
English. It swells big.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So we have covered the parts of
Can you cut the parts?
what? little by little, you know, slowly by slowly.
Inazimika ba?
Yeah, it's okay. Don't worry, guys. My camera, it's okay. You know. So I want to trim this way up to the other side. So I appreciate each and every person for this great video that you have made around here. Say thank you so much. Be blessed always. Be blessed. Subscribe if you haven't. Like, share, and leave a sweet comment. I really appreciate your love and support. So in the next video, I'll show you how everything is around here in our area. And this is our home. Beautiful home and great and nice. Much love from Kenya, Africa. Bye, guys. So after finishing the work, guys, I have to wash my gumboots to remove the mud, and also, yeah, so that they can maintain them to become clean. This means maintaining tools after use so that they can last long.